Good morning, dear student. As you know that it's a third session of transformation of sentences, and today we have to complete category C. Before that, we have completed category A and category B. In category A, we have seen how exclamatory sentence change into assertive and assertive sentence change into exclamatory. This we have done in our first category, and now in second session we have done assertive sentence, how it can change into interrogative, and interrogative sentence can change into assertive. So these two already we have seen. There is no doubt, no problem in that. If you are having any confusion, once again you go and watch this session, understand that, and thereafter if any problem you note down, will again while revision clearly. Today we have to start category C. In category C, we'll see how assertive sentences can change into negative and negative sentences can change into assertive. Today we have to see this one. But before understanding this one, it is very important that you know few things. Few things are degree. You know very well what is an adjective. An adjective explain or such a word in a sentence that tells, that express about noun or pronoun. It adds extra meaning or modify noun or pronoun. That word is known as adjective. In adjective you will get degree also. Degree can be positive, it can be comparative, it can be superlative. Three types of degree can be. So these three things, if you are not getting, means adjective and degree of adjective, thereafter opposite of few words. Opposite of few words means when you are changing assertive to negative or negative to assertive. So it is very important that you know the opposite words also, because here in this entire session you will see the role of opposite words, the role of antonyms, that how we are learning antonyms in our day-to-day life, and the significance of antonyms. Now here you will get few questions that I have already written. Approx 5 questions are there. With the help of that 5 questions, today we'll try to understand, today we'll try to know about the transformation category C, that is assertive to negative and negative to assertive. When you will read these sentences, so you will see few points that is really very remarkable, and with the help of that points only you are able to solve the question. You are able to change into negative, you are able to change into assertive. See, the first question is given here, the knife is sharp. What is given? The knife is sharp. This sentence is assertive. Do you know why it is assertive sentence? The reason behind this I already explained. When I told you about assertive sentence, if you are not getting any negation, negation means not, nothing, no, never, okay, this all if you are not getting, so the sentence will be negative. And by nature, you are watching the first sentence, it is giving you the positive feeling. The knife is sharp. This sentence is in assertive. This assertive sentence we have to change into negative. See how we will change assertive to negative. By seeing the sentence, you have seen here sharp. Below sharp, I put underline. Do you know why it is underlined? Because when we change assertive to negative, so sharp change here. And how it will change, you see, next to sharp here I have written oppo, means opposite. What I have written? Opposite. You have to find out opposite of this one. Sometimes you can get adjective, sometimes you can get any verb, sometimes you can get different parts of speech. That parts of speech means that particular word which you are getting, you have to find out antonyms of that. And by putting not only, you can make negative sentence. Because in negative sentence you have to give the feeling of negation. You have to give the feeling of negation only. For giving the feeling of negation, it is 100% surety that you have to use not, never, no, nothing, these kind of words only. So in the same way, here these all words which you are getting not, never, okay, these all words that you will place after the helping verb, where you will place after the helping verb. And you watch here sharp. What is written here? Sharp. The word sharp is what here? This is a particular word, and you know very well the opposite of sharp. What can be the opposite of sharp? It will be blunt. It means that in place of sharp, what will write? Blunt. In place of sharp, what will write? Blunt only. And now it will become the knife is not. Why not? Because of negation. And sharp change into blunt. So it will be like this only. The sentence you have written, the knife is not blunt. This you have written. You put here this not because this is your assertive sentence. This is your assertive sentence. And this assertive sentence you are changing into negative. So when you change assertive to negative, the word negative itself express that here we need to write negative. We need to write negation. That can be never, nothing, no. Okay, these all kind of words. So this we have changed. And this sharp, opposite of this sharp we have to write. So opposite of sharp change into blunt. So what happened when you change assertive to negative or negative to assertive? Sometimes we have to change by using opposite word and by placing not. And sometimes it can be that you will get a different degrees. It can be positive degree, it can be comparative degree, it can be superlative degree. So these degree can also change into negative. It means that this sentence you see as great as. It's a positive degree because here also as, here also as. So this degree is what? Positive. So if positive degree is coming, so how we are changing? If comparative degree is coming, so how we are changing? When superlative degree is coming, so for superlative what we are doing? These all things we have to understand today. And by doing only this, you are able to finish, you are able to do your exercise. Now you see, the second question is given here. This is impossible. This is impossible. Now the word impossible. You are getting the word impossible. So that impossible words only tell something. What it is telling, you see here. So I told you that impossible, the word impossible, it will change. Impossible change into possible. Opposite of this impossible will be what? Possible. So in place of this what will write? Possible. And after is what will place? Negation. So this will be this is not possible. So have you seen? This is impossible change into I told you when you are changing assertive to negative. So after helping verb you will place what? Not. So this is not. Tense will be remain same. This is not. Impossible change into possible. This is not possible. If anything is not possible, then it will be what? Impossible. So the meaning of both the sentences here, it's same. This is impossible. This is impossible. It is reflecting about impossibilities of any task, of anything. As the same way, second sentence, when we turn into negative, so this is not possible. If anything is not possible, it means what? It means only one thing, that it is what? Not possible, means impossible. Understand that? So the meaning of both the sentences correct. Here the meaning of this sentence you see, because in transformation you are knowing very well way that when you are solving this, so in transformation meaning must be same. If you are changing assertive to negative or negative to assertive, so meaning must be same. If it is changing, it means that the beauty of transformation and the meaning of transformation, that is not executed by you. Understand that? See the next point. The knife is sharp. I am talking about this. Suppose that this is a knife. The knife is sharp. I am telling you the knife is sharp. Sharp means if you are cutting, so easily it can cut any object. For example, vegetable can be, any fruits can be, because of sharp. The edge is sharp. That is why you can cut very easily. And now in second one, when you turn into negative, the knife is not blunt. If the knife is not blunt, it means what? It means only one thing, that your knife is what? Sharp. Understand that? So this is the meaning of these two sentences which we have done. So you have seen here how by using opposite word, how by using opposite word we change assertive to negative, and negative to assertive you also see. Suppose that assertive to negative you are doing, and when you are getting negative sentences, so how negative sentences change into assertive? I am telling you that you have to change negative sentence into assertive. For changing negative sentence into assertive, it means what? You have to see the nature of negative sentence, you have to see the nature of assertive sentence. Negative sentence, see, if I have written here negative sentence, so negative sentence means what? It will give you the feeling of negation. So the feeling of negation you are getting, but now this you are changing into assertive. So how this sentence change into assertive? See, first of all you will remove this not. First of all you will remove this not. Do you know why you are removing this not? Because of only one thing, that you are changing into assertive. Assertive is affirmative assertive. Understand that? So that affirmative assertive, it will never change into, when it is changing, so it never takes what? Not. That is why this not will remove from here. So on the top you are watching the knife is sharp. So you are getting any not here? You are not getting negation. That is why first of all we will remove this. And now this blunt I have written. What I have written? Blunt. So when you are changing, when you are removing this not, so because of removing this one, that you have to also change. Means you have to write the opposite of that. So the opposite of blunt change into what? Sharp. Means we'll write blunt as a sharp. Then it will be the knife is sharp. This is what? When you are changing assertive to negative. So this is assertive to negative. Exactly it is affirmative to negative. Because assertive contain both. Assertive, in assertive you will get affirmative also, negative also. So here we are learning if you are having any affirmative sentence. So how you are changing affirmative to negative? Exactly this is the question. Okay. Now we see the second one. Second again how we are changing negative to affirmative. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is the question, it is given. So this not, that is why it is what? Negative. This not first of all will remove from here. This not I will remove from here. So this not I have taken, I remove. So when I will change this one, when I will remove this one, so at once the word is coming, that possible. We have to write the opposite of that. What we have to do? We have to write the opposite of that. And opposite of possible will be what? Impossible. So the sentence will be, this is impossible. The structure of the sentence, it will be balanced, subject, verb and object. It will be just like that only. Means it gives the meaning, it gives the complete sense. That you have to also see. So these two sentences we have seen, and we saw the role of opposite words also here. That how opposite words that is utilized by me to change affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. So I believe you understand this. There is no any problem. Now, question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. Question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. It is very important. Before doing this, question number 3rd, 4th and 5th, we have to understand few points. The points are, I already told about adjective. So now, the degree of adjective you will get. What you will get? The degree of adjective. If any adjective, it is in the form, it is at the first form. First form means it is in their base or original form. So it will be what? Positive degree. And when we compare two things, so for that we use another degree. The degree will be comparative degree. And suppose that more than two objects you are getting for comparison only, and you have to find out best one. What you have to find out? The best one. While that you will use superlative degree. So here in these three sentences, first one, Ankit. Question number 3rd, watch everyone. Question number 3rd, Ankit is as great as Shyam. The question is given here. Ankit is as great as Shyam. This is the question given here. So first of all we have to find out it is positive degree, it is comparative degree, or it is superlative degree. By finding that we can solve it. Because the rules which I have written here, these three terms, this will utilize. This is for the positive, this is for comparative, this is for superlative. If it is for comparative, so 100% this is what? As if you are getting before any adjective, before and after you are getting as, so this will be what? Positive degree. This will be positive degree. So Ankit is as great as Shyam. Ankit is as great as Shyam. So this great is what? Positive degree. So this positive degree change into what? Means if you are getting any assertive sentence, if you are getting any assertive means affirmative sentence, and in that affirmative sentence you are getting positive degree. What you are getting? Positive degree. So that positive degree change into comparative degree. Positive degree change into comparative degree. And before comparative degree, what you will write? Not. This is the rule when you are changing affirmative to negative. Any confusion till here? Once again I am repeating. When you are getting any affirmative sentence, and in that sentence you are getting any positive degree, so that positive degree change into comparative degree. And before that you have to place not. Understand that? So see how it will change. For changing it, first of all we will place Shyam. First of all what we will place? Shyam. So here I have written Shyam. What I have written? Shyam. Which tense it is? Present tense. So Shyam is. Shyam is I have written. You know after is you have to place any negation. So not is given here. Shyam is not. Great change into what? Comparative degree. Shyam is not greater. Greater to whom? Than, because we are comparing, than Ankit. Are you watching this? She. The question is like that. This is affirmative. Ankit is as great as Shyam. So as great as. After this, the noun which you are getting here, Shyam. From here you start. Shyam you have written. After Shyam you place. This is subject. Here helping verb. After this not. This is the structure of a sentence. Shyam is not. Great change into what? Comparative. If you are getting any positive degree, so that positive change into comparative. So Shyam is not greater than what? Ankit. Shyam is not greater than Ankit. Now the question comes here. You see the meaning of both the sentences. You see the meaning of both the sentences. These are equal or not. If it is not equal means it is incorrect. Understand that? See. Ankit is as great as Shyam. So who is great? Ankit is as great as Shyam. Shyam is not greater than Ankit. Are you getting or not? Here, this Ankit is as great as Shyam. Ankit is what? As great as Shyam. Now here Shyam is not greater than Ankit. Shyam is not greater than Ankit. It means the balance of both Ankit and Shyam, it is showing. And when you are using positive degree, so balance must be there. It means that Ankit and Shyam both are what? Equal, balance. Ankit is as great as Shyam. Means how Ankit has the same weight Shyam also. So now Shyam is not greater than Ankit. If Shyam is not greater than Ankit, it means what? It means both are what? Equal. Understand that? So this is about this one. And now this sentence, when you are changing into negative, this is affirmative. When you are changing into negative, so first of all you will remove this not. Understand that? You remove this not from here. No confusion in that. And after removing, see, is will be at its place. After then, the word that is coming here. Ankit is coming. So Ankit you will place at the place of Shyam and Shyam will go at the place of Ankit. So Ankit is as see, greater change into what? Positive degree. Because this is comparative degree. So now when you are getting comparative degree, so comparative degree turn into what? Positive degree. So for making it positive, you will write great. Positive of greater will be what? Great. And before that as, after this as you place. Understand that? And then you will get where? In comparative. That is why this will also remove from here. This word, this will also remove from here. So it will be Ankit is as great as. And this Shyam turn there. Then Shyam goes there. Are you getting this one? It means what we have done. If you are getting any affirmative sentence and that sentence is in positive degree, so that positive degree when you are changing to negative, it will turn into comparative degree. And when negative changing into comparative degree, negative changing into affirmative. So while that what you will do? That comparative degree turn into positive degree. That you will do. Any confusion till here? Now see the next question. The next question is given here. Birbal is wiser than Akbar. Birbal is wiser than Akbar. So now by reading this sentence, you are getting the degree. That wiser is adjective, and this adjective in which degree? Positive, comparative or superlative. See, as you are watching than or er, if you are getting er or est, if you are getting er, so this is comparative degree. If you are getting est form, so that will be superlative degree of any adjective. And this is also a way to find out adjective in any sentence. If you are getting any adjective, suppose that you are confused, this is adjective or not. So you place er or est. By placing er or est, it is giving a sense of comparative, it is giving a sense of superlative. Then it will be what? Adjective. And you can place more or most also. More for comparative and most for superlative. So now the second one is coming here. Verbal is wiser. So this wiser that will change into positivity. So what you will do? See, this sentence is very easy. Wiser change into what? Wise. Wiser change into wise. You will write positive degree, and before positive degree what you will write? Not only. So from where you will place? I told you after then. Ankit is given. After then what is given? Ankit. So this you have to turn, this you have to change into that. See how we do this one. It's very easy. So I told you, let's see. Here what you have done? This one. Question number 3 you watch. This is in comparative degree. This is in comparative degree, and it is turning, it is changing into positive degree. So how it will be? After greater than is here, after then you will place this Ankit. So at the same way, after then Akbar is coming, so you will write here first of all Akbar. What you will write? Akbar. After then, the word you are getting, now you will place here Akbar, and after Akbar, this is subject, after this is. Not will place. Why we are placing not? Because of one thing. The thing is what? We have to change into negative. So Birbal is wiser than Akbar. Akbar is not. Akbar is not. So we'll place what? So. Either you place as or so as. So and wiser change into what? That not I have written here. After not what you have to place? Positive degree. So for making wiser positive, we'll place here so and then wise as what? Very good. Now carefully you understand, you see carefully. I told you when you are getting comparative degree, what you are getting comparative degree, because of this wise, you can understand, you know very well this is what? Comparative degree. So this comparative degree turn into positive. So for writing positive, as great as or so wise as, you can write both. So after then what is given? Akbar. Akbar I place here. After subject you will place helping verb. Helping verb I place. Then not you will write, and after this positive degree. So when you have to write positive degree, so wiser change into so wise as. So wise as whom? Birbal. See the meaning of both the sentences. Birbal is wiser than Akbar. Here you are getting Birbal is wiser than Akbar. So who is having much more brain? You are getting that Birbal is having much more efficiency than Akbar. And in this, Akbar is not so wise as Birbal. In second sentence, what you are getting? That Akbar is not so wise. Suppose that here is Akbar. So Akbar is not so wise. Not so wise whom? As Birbal. So now the meaning of both the sentences is what? Correct. So with the help of this way, you will understand that how this is changing. And as the same way, this is affirmative to negative. And when this negative, you have to change into affirmative. So I told you, first of all, you will remove this not, and this wise change into wiser. So this two is framing for making what? Positive. So this two you will also remove. And now after voice what you are getting? Birbal. So Birbal you have written. After Birbal, helping verb. This is in which tense? Whatever tense you will write, same tense you will write. So Birbal is this entire one change into what? Wiser. So wise as, so change into wiser Then what? Akbar. So you have done just like that. So affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative, it will change like this only. Now this third one. Bharat was the strongest king in India. Bharat was the strongest king in India. Read the sentence. When you will read the sentence, you are getting strongest. What you are getting? Strongest. The word strongest is explaining only that it's a superlative degree. It's a superlative degree. When you are getting superlative degree, so what you have to do? You have to place no and positive degree. What you have to place? No and positive degree. It means strongest. The positive degree of strongest can be what? As strong as. I already told. As great as. So strongest change into as strong as. It will change like that. But we have to start from where? No. So here we'll write like this. No other king. This is as a subject, no other king was we have written the strongest change into what? Positive degree, because already it is mentioned. No other king was as strong as Bharat. Where? In India. So what happened here? No other king was as strong as Bharat. Where? In India. So you have seen that in third one, strongest change into what? As strong as. And when you are getting superlative degree, so you have to start with what? No. So you will write no. And what we are talking about? About king we are talking. So no other king. Or no king can be also no other king was. It's a past tense, that is why we use this one only. No other king was as strong as Bharat in India. So this is affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. The meaning you will see, Bharat was the strongest. Here we are talking about the potential of Bharat. That Bharat is what? Strongest king. Where? In entire India. No other king was strong as Bharat. It means what? It means that we are giving the absolute power, or you can say that Bharat is what? Only the strongest one in entire India. If we talk about the king only. So this is what? This is affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. We understood with the help of this. So this today we have finished transformation of sentences. As I believe that there is no any problem. You all have done very nicely. Whatever problems you are getting, you please note down. While the revision, a quick revision will be there. While that I'll explain you, I'll tell you. And I already given the notes of that. Given the notes of that means this exercise A, exercise B, exercise C. All the notes I have given. You can go and you can check from our website. And you can note down all the points, all the entire exercises. Questions I have also given, answer I have also given. So that you will write on your class notes only. And now whatever homework I am giving you, please you do also. Okay? Thank you so much for listening, for seeing this. In next session, we'll start another lesson. I'll tell you while that. Till that, you revise this all. Sentence, kinds of sentence, and division of the sentence, thereafter transformation of sentence. That you will revise. Thank you so much.